rock. You ladies rock. Everybody rocks. Thank you for building the greatest team in the industry. Don't ever think that you're anything but number one in this industry. We are number one.
Take care, everybody.